Waist. Take this measurement where you want to wear your jeans. You want this to be snug. Where you take this measurement is where your jeans will sit. Use the mirror to make sure you're measuring at the correct height. Low rise, mid rise, high rise. Lower hip. Lower hip is the fullest part of the bum. Make sure the tape measure is straight and level to the ground. Use the mirror to ensure your measurements are accurate. Thigh. Take this at the crotch level. This is the fullest part of the thigh. Push the tape measure up so it's just touching the crotch, then pull it in fairly snug. Ensure it's at the top level of the thigh so it's as accurate as possible. Outer seam. Start this measurement from the same position that you started your waist measurement from. Let the tape measure fall to the ground. Measure from your waist to your knee, and then your outer knee to the floor. Ensure you keep the tape straight.
Take the crotch length measurement. It is measured from the centre front of the waist all the way through the crotch to the centre back. Simply take your soft tape measure and measure from the centre back waistline all the way through the legs. Make sure it's comfortable around the crotch and not too tight, and then up to the centre front waistband. When you're happy, record your measurement.